Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you a free microphone tester here from Remaker AI that you can quickly use to test your microphone. And all you have to do is just head over to remaker.ai, create your account by simply signing in with your Gmail account. Once you do that, once you sign in, you'll get 30 credits. You can use that for free to use any of their AI tools. But this microphone tester is absolutely free and it won't use any credit. So all you have to do is just head over to the free tools on the upper right here from these options, and here you will find the microphone tester. Simply click on that, and what is going to happen is that once you click on test microphone, it will go ahead and maybe ask you to trigger your microphone, or it's going to ask you to allow your microphone, or it's going to quickly start if your microphone is enabled in your browser already. As you can see, I'm speaking right now and I'm currently testing, so I'm going to stop it right now because it's already there, and you can see that it records a couple of seconds here for me. So once you finish recording, guys, all you have to do is just really click on the play and it's going to play it for you. It will go ahead and maybe ask you to trigger your mic. And if it actually plays, it simply means that the microphone is actually working and it detects perfectly fine as well. And that's how you can easily do it, guys. It's a three-step process. Always, as you can see, you need to choose the tester, right? You just need to click testing button and it's going to ask for permissions in your browser. As you can see, it didn't ask me because I've already allowed that within the browser already, but it will ask you to allow permission. Then you just need to speak. And once you stop it, then you'll be able to hear if it works or not. And that's it.